Two giants in online learning, Udemy, the market of endless learning, and LinkedIn Learning, advancing careers, face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Udemy's sprawling, varied course marketplace, and on the right, LinkedIn Learning's polished platform for professional growth. Let's skip the hype and dive right into what matters most. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, before we get wild with comparisons, let's pull up our mental map, shall we? So, here's what we're looking at. First up is course catalog, because duh, you want choices. Then, pricing and access. Nobody likes surprise fees. User experience, certificate value, instructor quality, who these platforms are for, target audience, and last up, business and corporate training. That's our battle plan. Okay, first things first. Course catalog. Udemy? Oh my gosh, it's honestly immense. We're talking 200,000 plus courses. Yeah, 200,000. Anything from Python to photography, guitar, even like speed reading. But, and here's the catch, quality can be kind of a mixed bag. Some courses are amazing. Others, well, let's just say not every instructor is a superstar. LinkedIn Learning is different. It's much tighter, only about 18,000 courses, but those are seriously curated, super professional, and mostly career-focused. Tech, business, creative stuff, you know the drill. Super polished, but you won't find, like, baking or origami here. So if you want endless variety, Udemy shines. But for pro-level, curated stuff, LinkedIn Learning is it. For catalog size, Udemy totally wins. Next up, pricing and access. Udemy's model is kind of wild. You buy each course individually, and then you own it forever, which is cool, right? Plus, they're always throwing discounts. But if you're looking to learn a ton fast, those one-off costs can add up real quick. LinkedIn Learning is all about that Netflix-style subscription, $39.99 a month or $240 a year, and you get everything, unlimited. So if you binge learn, that's a win. Downside, there's no buy once, keep forever option. You stop paying, say goodbye to the courses. But for pure access, yeah, LinkedIn Learning is more forgiving to your wallet if you want to power through lots of lessons. LinkedIn Learning takes the crown here. User experience time. Udemy, okay, it's flexible, self-paced. You can poke around through forums and chat up instructors. But honestly, the website can feel like a garage sale mixed with a maze. Tons of stuff. Some amazing, some not so much. And you have to dig to find the gems. Now, LinkedIn Learning's interface is clean. Like, corporate clean. It's super smooth. There's LinkedIn integration, keeps tracking your progress, and lays courses out in learning paths. It's less flexible if you just want to dabble, but for actual efficiency, so much better. LinkedIn Learning easily wins on user experience. Hold up, quick trivia break. Did you know LinkedIn Learning actually started as lynda.com way back, like over 25 years ago? They were trailblazing online learning when everyone else was still mailing DVDs. How wild is that? All right, now certificates. Honestly, most folks want something to show for all that learning. Udemy gives you a certificate when you finish, which is nice, but it's not exactly going to dazzle a hiring manager. More like a, hey, I tried gold star. LinkedIn Learning steps it up. Their certificates look legit, are recognized by plenty of companies, and link right onto your LinkedIn profile, which, let's be real, HR actually checks. It's not university level, but for jobs and resumes, huge plus. LinkedIn Learning is hands down the winner for certificate value. Instructor Quality. Oh boy, here's where things get spicy. Udemy lets anyone upload a course. Literally, your neighbor, your dog trainer, your grandma. That means wild variety, but also wild inconsistency. Sometimes you hit gold, sometimes it's just people reading slides. LinkedIn Learning, though, every instructor is vetted. They're industry pros, and everything is super polished. No random rambling or outdated info. Downside is less diversity, but for reliable expertise, LinkedIn Learning sweeps this round. Target audience. Udemy is that Wild West. Total beginner, hobbyist, someone learning to code, someone learning calligraphy, it doesn't matter. Seriously, anyone and everyone can find something. LinkedIn Learning is laser-focused on professionals, businesses, and people looking to move up in their careers. So if you're chill and casual, Udemy might feel friendlier, but LinkedIn Learning, all business. Really, both platforms totally nail their own audience. So it's a tie here. Depends on what vibe you want. Last up, Business and corporate training. Udemy brings a huge catalog for enterprise plans. Everything from deep tech stuff to a little wellness sesh. But quality, sometimes kinda uneven for teams. LinkedIn Learning is more structured, all about tracked progress, professional development, leadership, soft skills, and plenty of analytics. Not as broad as Udemy, but way more consistent and tailored for companies that want clear results. So, for corporate and business training, LinkedIn Learning wins this round too. So let's zoom out and look at the radar chart. Udemy totally dominates in sheer course variety and reaching every kind of learner, while LinkedIn Learning just runs up the score when it comes to pro features, certificates, instructor quality, and business training. Pretty clear strengths depending on your goals. All right, so final thoughts. If you're the lifelong learner type, or you just want to pick up random new skills for cheap, Udemy is honestly fantastic. But if you're all about career moves, want those recognized certs, or you're part of a corporate team, LinkedIn Learning really is on another level. It's the platform for professionals, no contest. Hey, if this kind of deep dive comparison is your jam, you know what? Hit follow so you never miss out on your next best tech learning insight. See you in the